I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device and account. Make sure you're signed into Roblox and using a modern browser or mobile OS that supports passkeys. Once signed in, go to Account Settings, open Security, and tap Add Passkey. You'll be prompted to verify with your current password or 2FA. Do that now. This step creates a cryptographic key tied to your device. It's faster and much more phishing-resistant than a password, so start the enrollment immediately. Next, follow the device prompt. Your phone or browser will ask you to create and save the passkey to its secure keychain. Tap to create, authenticate with biometrics or device PIN, and give it a descriptive name so you can manage multiple keys. Once the passkey is stored, Roblox registers the public key on their side. Make sure to add a second passkey from another device or a hardware security key as a backup. Once done, you'll be able to sign in without typing your password. Finish by testing. Sign out and sign back into Roblox using the new passkey to confirm it works. Once done, enable two-factor authentication and record any recovery codes or set a secondary passkey on a different device so you aren't locked out. If you want to prefer passkeys for sign-in, set that in security. If something goes wrong, make sure your OS and browser are updated and try the recovery code or secondary passkey. Updating software usually resolves most passkey issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.